this is Pipe Cleaner Princess, and today we will be making 101 Dalmatians pipe cleaner Mickey ears. Now what you will need is 4 black pipe cleaners, 2 white pipe cleaners, 1 white pipe cleaner cut in half, 1 red pipe cleaner, and scissors. So to start, I'm going to do the base black, and I'm going to twist them together at the ends like this. And then I'm going to take the other ends and I'm going to twist it together so that it makes a circle. And for the arch, I am going to do red. Now this could be for Cruella De-Vil or for like the collar, but both ways look good. So I'm just going to twist it at the place you twisted the 2 pipe cleaners on the base. And once you do that, you got your base. And for the Mickey ears, I'm going to do white because Dalmatians are obviously mostly white. So you're going to twist this white pipe cleaner onto the red arch about like an inch off the arch, and you're going to bend it down and you're going to twist it right next to it, and you're just going to make it look like a Mickey ear by making it look like a circle. So do that. And then do the same thing, make another Mickey ear right over here. So you're going to twist it onto the arch. You're going to take the other side and you're going to twist it right next to the place you twisted it on. So it's basically just like a circle sitting on top of the arch. So you're going to make it look circular and Mickey ear-ular. That's not a word. Moving on. So to make this like 101 Dalmatians, I am going to make the numbers 1, 0, and 1 to make 101 right here. So I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to do the 1s with the black and the 0 with the white. You can do like whatever pattern. You can do white for the 1s and black for the 0, or you can even twist white and black. That would look cool, but I just decided on this, nice and simple. So to make a 1, I'm going to explain it. So you're just going to bend a little bit right here, and you're going to bend it so that it's just like a triangle, but not with the base. And so you're gonna do, I would want mine about that big, so I'm gonna cut it with my scissors because, well, you can't cut anything with anything else. Yeah. And so with this, you're going to make like a little base for it. So with the little extra, you're going to twist it and make sure the base is like the same length on each side. So I'm gonna cut it where I think it's the same length. And so that's my 1. You probably could make it a little smaller. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. There we go. I made it a little smaller and I think that is really good. So I'm just going to set this aside and make another 1 the same exact size, so you can use this extra pipe cleaner as well. So I'm going to fast forward this definitely if I'm going too fast, because obviously I'm fast forwarding it, so I'm going really fast. You can definitely pause the video and catch up and make both the 1s. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay, so I did the other 1, and okay, that kind of looks a little weird. So I did not make it the same size, so I am going to fix that. Okay, so there we go, I fixed it, and now it looks much better and the same size. And so now I am going to make the 0. So I'm going to take my half whites and I'm just going to twist them together. So it's almost like a little base, because I mean the base looks like a 0 kind of. So you're just going to twist it, make sure it's secure, and can make the O probably a little smaller than the ones, because that would probably look the best. I'm gonna do it a little smaller. I think that looks good, so I'm going to twist it right here and just make it look a little more circular or ovalier. I'm making up a lot of words in this video. But yeah, so I really like this size. And for this one, this is lucky because you get to twist this onto the arch. So you don't need to cut anything. But for these, you do need to cut a little bit of this. So I'm going to put them where I want them to be. Ooh, that one won't stay up. I think I want them like about this. Whoa, the ones are staying on. Yeah, don't walk around Disney like this. Okay, so I'm going to cut a little off the black, and I might want to scoot them a little in, maybe like that. Nope, that one's not going to stay. I'm just going to twist this base of the one onto the arch and to make sure it stays. And that is good. I might twist this onto the ear, but I think it's good. You can if it's not that balanced or staying on. So I think that's good. And I'm going to, I can't hold it and cut something at the same time. Nope, not gonna work. Oh, yay, it stayed. Okay, so I'm going to try again. Oh my gosh. This is, wow, not my best day. Now I'm gonna hold this. There we go. Finally, after what, 3 tries? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to twist this onto the arch by wrapping it around, and so I like that. And for the 0, I'm going to put it right here in the middle, and I'm just going to twist it with the extra white onto the arch, and with the other side as well. And then just make sure you didn't mess anything up like I did, and just fix it. And once you're satisfied with it, you are done. There you go. This is your 101 Dalmatians pipe cleaner Mickey ears. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.